Sri Leela launched her own skincare line. I'm a little late to try them, but I finally did. So let me tell you if it's a hit or a miss. I've tried 4 of their products. So let's start off with the Skin Dew Daily Energizing Moisture Gel. All of their products are very milk centric, which is very interesting. I have oily acne prone skin, so I gravitate towards gel moisturizers. This one is very lightweight. I'd give it that, but it has a lot of fragrance. Somehow I felt like it was not moisturizing enough, and the ingredients also did not blow me off. They seemed very regular. It retails for 549 rupees. Again, I really like the fact that they kept it in an affordable range, but the formula and the fragrance of this particular cream, I just did not find it amazing. So it's a miss. Next, we have All Wet Deep Cleansing Body Wash. Now, this one has very interesting ingredients like lactic acid, raw milk, and vitamin C. And I do like antioxidants and also chemical exfoliants in my body wash. I did enjoy using it because it leaves your skin moisturized. It smells also really good. So post shower, your body will smell amazing. And this one retails only for 349 rupees. I love the price range. I love the formula. I love the ingredients. So this one is definitely a hit. Next up, we have the Smoothie Ultimate Skin Pampering and Repairing Spray Body Lotion. This one also has interesting ingredients: yogurt, niacinamide, ceramides, salicylic acid, and hyaluronic acid. Spray it on your body just like this and obviously massage it into your skin. Now, this one is very lightweight, and I usually like my body creams to be like body butter. I think I can only use it in summer. If I use it in winter or rainy, it wouldn't be enough hydration for my skin. I have a personal problem with this bottle and applicator because I have really tiny hands. I cannot really reach it and spray it properly, especially if my hands are super moisturized. This one retails for 399 rupees. It's a good product, but not a great product. But still, I would say it's a hit. Lastly, we have the Nude FaceTime Instant Glow Facial Spa Mask. When it comes to face masks, I'm very picky. Also, I have oily skin, so I want a clay mask which can extract the oil and clean the pores. This one claims that it gives instant detan, pore tightening, and oil control, and I feel like it did not do any of these to me. They said oil control, but it has yogurt filtrate, orange oil, and bergamot oil. Personally, I do not like to put any sort of oils on my skin because it instantly gives me comedones and they are very hard to treat. I really like the mask from Innisfree. It also has chemical exfoliants in it along with the clay, and the foxtail one, which has gone viral, but this one I just could not like it. So this one is a hard miss for me. Final word, I love the price range, but I think their body products are much better than their face products. So comment down and let me know which brand to brutally review next.